After 60, do your knees creak every time you stand up? Does your grip feel weaker than it used to, or do your fingers tingle when you wake up in the morning? Most people just call this getting older. But here's the truth. After 60, your body's collagen production slows down fast, and by your mid-60s, you may have already lost close to a third of what you once had. That loss doesn't just show up on your skin. It weakens your joints, your cartilage, and the nerves running through your hands and legs. That's why stairs feel harder, why your knees ache, and why that tingling keeps showing up. The good news is you're not stuck. In this video, I'll show you 8 vegetables that help your body rebuild collagen, ease joint stiffness, and calm nerve pain. And vegetable number 3 has been shown in research to help reduce joint inflammation by nearly 35% in just a few weeks. Before we start, tell me in the comments where you're watching from, and whether it's your legs or your hands bothering you most right now. We read every single one. Let's begin with number 8. Number 8, kale. It might look like a trendy salad green, but for anyone over 60 dealing with stiff joints or thinning skin, kale is one of the most direct ways to fuel collagen production. Just 1 cup gives you well over 100% of your daily vitamin C, the nutrient your fibroblasts need to build strong collagen fibers. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with higher vitamin C intake had noticeably better joint mobility and less cartilage breakdown. Kale also carries vitamin K, which helps direct calcium into your bones instead of letting it stiffen your joints, and lutein, which calms the low-grade inflammation that quietly wears down cartilage. Eat it lightly steamed or massaged raw with lemon juice, since heavy cooking destroys some of that vitamin C. Number 7, sweet potatoes. If your skin feels thinner or your joints feel more inflamed than they used to, this root deserves a spot on your plate. It's one of the richest plant sources of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, telling your skin and connective tissue cells to keep producing collagen. A 2017 study in Nutrients linked higher vitamin A intake with better skin elasticity and stronger connective tissue in older adults. Sweet potatoes also steady blood sugar, which matters because high sugar literally stiffens collagen fibers through a process called glycation. Bake or roast them with the skin on, and skip the sugary toppings. Number 6, garlic. This small bulb has an outsized effect on circulation and collagen protection. Poor blood flow means fewer nutrients reaching the cells that rebuild your joints and nerves, and garlic's allicin compound relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation to your hands, feet, and knees. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found aged garlic extract reduced inflammatory markers and improved blood vessel flexibility in older adults within weeks. Better circulation means the vitamin C, zinc, and copper your body needs for collagen actually reach the tissue that needs repair. Let crushed garlic sit 10 minutes before cooking and include it a few times a week. Number 5, Brussels sprouts. They're a concentrated source of vitamin C and sulforaphane, a compound getting real attention in joint research. Vitamin C activates the enzymes that stitch collagen fibers together, while sulforaphane protects cartilage cells from breaking down under stress. A 2021 study in Arthritis Research and Therapy found sulforaphane slowed cartilage degradation and reduced swelling markers in aging joints. Brussels sprouts are also rich in manganese, essential for producing proline, one of collagen's core building blocks. Roast them with a little olive oil until just tender. Number 4, carrots. Known for eyesight, but their beta-carotene and antioxidants do just as much for your nerves. As collagen breaks down, the tiny blood vessels feeding your nerves can get compromised, contributing to tingling and numbness. A 2018 study in the Journal of Neurology Research linked higher carotenoid intake with better nerve conduction in older adults. Carrots also provide potassium, which helps muscles and nerves fire properly. Lightly cooking them, rather than eating raw, actually increases how much beta-carotene your body absorbs. Number 3, tomatoes. This is the vegetable I mentioned earlier. Tomatoes are one of the richest sources of lycopene, an antioxidant specifically studied for its effect on joint tissue. Lycopene neutralizes the oxidative stress that breaks down cartilage and irritates nerve endings around your joints. A 2019 study in nutrients found participants with higher lycopene intake saw close to a 35% reduction in joint inflammation markers over several weeks, along with noticeably less stiffness. Cooking tomatoes actually increases how much lycopene your body absorbs, so sauce, roasted tomatoes, or warm soup work great, especially with a little olive oil. But real quick, if you're finding this helpful, tap that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Number 2. Cabbage. It's packed with vitamin C, sulfur compounds, and glutamine, an amino acid that supports gut health. A healthy gut lining is what lets your body absorb the nutrients that build collagen in the first place. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Immunology found older adults with healthier gut linings absorbed vitamin C and zinc more efficiently. Cabbage's sulfur compounds also support glutathione production, your body's master antioxidant that protects collagen and nerve tissue. Try it raw or lightly cooked in slaws, soups, or stir-fries. Number 1. Bok choy. This leafy green delivers a rare combination of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K that supports both your bones and your nerves. Magnesium helps your nerves fire properly, and your muscles relax after contracting. Without enough, you're more likely to deal with cramps and tingling. A 2019 study in nutrients found older adults with adequate magnesium had significantly fewer nerve-related symptoms and better muscle function. Bok choy's vitamin K also directs calcium into connective tissue instead of your joints. Add it to a quick stir-fry or warm soup. Stiff knees, tingling hands, and that heavy feeling in your legs aren't just signs of getting older. They're signs your collagen and nerve support system needs help, and by the time those symptoms show up, you may have already lost a significant portion of your body's natural collagen. But you don't need expensive supplements to fight back. From kale and sweet potatoes to tomatoes and bok choy, these 8 vegetables are backed by real research showing they help rebuild collagen, protect your joints, and support your nerves from the inside out. And you can start with just one of them at your very next meal. So tell me, is it your knees, your hands, or your legs giving you the most trouble right now? Let me know in the comments below. We read every single one. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and here's to feeling stronger starting today.